adventure and imagination. Ice Cube Castle with sliding stairs. In the frozen kingdom of Glacialis, nestled atop a snow-capped mountain, lay the magnificent Ice Cube Castle. The animals of the forest had long heard tales of its hidden treasures and magical sliding stairs. Today, our brave friends, Lionel the lion, Bella the bunny, Ziggy the zebra, Ollie the otter, and Nim the narwhal, embarked on a daring quest to explore this wondrous place. The air was thick with anticipation as they set paw and hoof on the first step of their adventure. The stairs glistened under the sun's rays, casting prismatic light across the landscape. Lionel, the eldest of the group, led them up the winding path. As they climbed higher, the friends entered a narrow tunnel carved into the ice. Shimmering crystals adorned the walls, casting dancing lights that played upon their fur and feathers. The passage was steep and treacherous, but the friends pressed on, guided by courage and curiosity. Finally reaching the top, they found themselves in a spacious chamber filled with stunning ice sculptures of many different animals. Bella's eyes sparkled with delight as she recognized her family among them. "This place is a testament to their imagination," she exclaimed. In the center of the room stood another set of crystal stairs, leading even higher into the cloud-kissed sky. Excitement surged through their veins as they ascended, each step bringing them closer to the unknown. The way forward was not clear, as they had stumbled upon an intricate and challenging ice maze. Ollie, the clever otter, took charge, directing them through narrow passages and across precarious bridges. As they navigated through the maze, they finally reached an expansive open area. At its heart stood a magnificent ice slide, gleaming in the sunlight. Nim, the narwhal, ever the daredevil, couldn't resist the call of adventure and leaped onto the slide. With a mighty roar, Nim zoomed down the ice slide, his horn shining brightly under the sun. Thems watched with bated breath as he sped past, whooping and cheering with delight. Inspired by Nim's daring display, the others eagerly lined up to slide as well. One by one, they took their turn, laughing and hollering as they sped down the icy chute. As the fun finally waned, Ziggy, the inquisitive zebra, noticed a strange sliding door tucked away in a corner. With a bit of teamwork and determination, they managed to open it, revealing a hidden room filled with even more treasures. The friends cheered and danced as they explored the hidden chamber, their laughter echoing through the ice caverns. They had uncovered a true treasure trove of wonders. Napid, fine, using paces in down, now you seemed to malfwash their trust. As they gathered up their newfound treasures, they took one last look back at the Ice Cube Castle. Their adventure had been filled with bravery, curiosity, and creative problem-solving, and they knew that their friendship had grown stronger because of it. With a final wave goodbye to the castle, they skipped down the crystal stairs and into the sunshine, ready for whatever adventures lay ahead.